boy is up bright and early for today's video, and I gotta go drop off your guys' orders. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you once again for getting yourself the hat. Remember, all hat purchases get a free mask. Your boys all dripped out with all the new KDM merch representing KDM culture. KDM jet tags are still available on the site, and as you see, I'm rocking the new merch, Rising Against All Odds on the sleeve as well as the back. KDM Mafia is back, so go get yourself a hoodie while they last. I really appreciate each and every one of you who support and get yourself some merch. It really helps the channel out a lot. Now let's get on to today's video. Welcome back, my KDM familia, to another video. This is day 7 of Vlogmas.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
Man, I wish I could be able to say that, but I'm not able to do YouTube full time as of yet, but I have been more consistent, pretty much uploading every week at this point, and I'm thankful for you guys to continuously tune in and like the videos, subscribing to the channel. I want to make videos that are actually helpful or entertaining to watch. But speaking of being helpful, in today's video, I'm actually going to help you guys with wheel fitment for the Kia Stinger. But not only that, you could implement this to your Kia, Optima, your Hyundai, Genesis Coupe. One simple tool, I bought this thing on eBay. I'll get to it in a bit, but I want to help you guys, and a lot of you guys that are watching might also hate me for this, because I know in this scene there's a lot of gatekeepers and a lot of people who don't want to share the fitment because they want to be the only guy with the best fitment.
Shit, I wish I could put you on, but it's really a personal vibe, you know.
Like I said, I'm gonna help you guys with fitment, and I'm gonna tell you guys the offsets and everything you need to know before you order your pair of wheels or buy some. This is gonna help a lot of you guys save thousands of dollars. Honestly, you might not think of it, but just imagine you order the wrong size wheels, and you know, when you mount wheels, you can't return them at that point, especially if they get damaged or you put tires on them already. That would save you thousands if you guys figure out what your offsets are, what type of wheel dimensions you need, and I'm gonna get to that in this video. Different variations of fitment in the car scene. For example, there is poke, tuck, and flush. And I want you guys to comment down below and let me know what you guys think I went as for fitment on the Kia Stinger. This is considered flush fitment. I have it perfectly aligned with the fenders. I'm not a fan of tucked. I believe that's more for hot boy and static boys. And for me, I'm more of a track style setup. So I went with flush. As you see, this would be considered tuck at that point. But the only reason it's tucking right now is because of the elevation of my driveway. But before I continue with the video, I need you guys to please like and subscribe. I'm giving you guys this information for free. I'm not gatekeeping. I'm not being like every other person out in the car scene that doesn't want to share their fitment or their dimensions. Remember way back before I got the Kia Stinger, I was looking into wheel setup and dimensions for the offsets, and I remember asking some guy that I was very inspired by on getting the Kia Stinger because he had some pretty good fitment. I met this dude in person and I was like, okay, this guy's cool. And I hit him up through Instagram and I was like, hey, can I get the dimensions of your wheel setup? And he just literally told me to F off. And I was just like, wow. I was shocked that people are really that desperate to keep their fitment private and not wanting others to, how do I say, match them or be better than them. And it sucks because just imagine I was uneducated. I went to buy some wheels, and once I purchased them, they don't fit, and I'm lucked out on $1,000 to $2,000 on some wheels that I can't put on the Stinger because they don't fit. Don't forget, KDM Mafia is back. Hoodies, perfect for this weather. It's pretty cold out, and this hoodie is keeping me warm. So go get yourself one at kdmbuilt.company.site. Help your boy represent KDM culture. So I'm gonna remove these wheels, but in order to get to them, I actually have to move the Kia Optima. It's been a month since the last time I've started it up. And if you guys missed, this Kia Optima is actually under works right now, and it's finally coming back to the channel. We're giving it its much needed love, so go check out the videos if you guys missed. Oh my gosh, dude. Damn, this thing is dirty. Look at that. The old trunk is on. I'm not gonna tell you guys what's going on. As of now, you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for the next upload on the Optima. And yes, the big turbo is gonna be going in the car. I hope I could just jump start it real quick. All right, boost. Oh man, it's been a while since we started this baby. Here we go. Yes. And as you guys could tell, it's not that bad. It's not that loud anymore.
Let me tell you.
All right, fam, so lug nuts are off. Time to take off this wheel. Super lightweight wheel. Before I get to the dimensions of my wheels, I'm actually gonna show you guys, I am running a wheel spacer. Why am I running a wheel spacer? Well, because I wanted it to be super flush fitment, like where you were to stand right above it, you could see barely any tires. So let me show you guys on this side. If you guys stand right above, you guys could see the tire is literally aligned with the fender. That is flush fitment. Same thing goes for the rear. Let me show you guys. That's like perfect fitment. Obviously tucked right now because the driveway is at an angle, but in the rear I'm also running a spacer. The wheels I'm currently sitting on are Ford Star M14 wheels, and as for the size, they are 18 by 8.5 and 30 offset, and for the rear 18 by 10.5, 45 offset. One thing you should be aware of before you ever get wheels for your Stinger or car is learning about your offset. You could get the right size, 18 by 9, and if you get an offset of 0, which is usually for a truck, you're gonna have some very bad poke and you're not gonna be able to drive around. You're definitely gonna be rubbing on some tire. So luckily Brandon, the previous owner, got the right size spec. They were easily able to fit tucked in without any scraping or any rubbing, but obviously, like I said, I want to have that very flush fitment, so I was able to put on a 5mm spacer up front, really fill in the wheel barrel as well for the rear. But if my offset was poked out, there's no way of going back in. You're pretty much screwed at that point. The only thing I could think of is adjusting your camber arms. The wheel specs I just gave you are not universal. You can't run a 19 by 8 with the same offset, because now you're gonna have a taller height, therefore you might have some rubbing or clearance problems as well. One recommendation I have is going on Fitment Industries. I have no correlation with them, but that's where I first got into figuring out my specs and sizes, or also checking out Reddit and the forums.
What did I just see?
A lot of people out there that are willing to help and will let you guys know what offsets are best for 19-inch wheels, 20-inch wheels, 18, and even 17s. I wish I had some 17-inch wheels. That would be perfect for a drag setup. I could run a way fatter tire, which would look awesome on the Kia Stinger. So these rears are a 40 offset, 10.5 in width, and 18 in diameter. So I'm gonna set this thing up to that specific size. I am running a 2mm spacer in the back, so truly if I wanted that perfect wheel fitment without any spacers, I should be running a 38. So if I stand right over, right about there, as you see the red showing, the indication mark should be right about there. I just got these tires a couple months ago and they're already bald, man. Oh, I hate the Kia Stinger. This thing goes through tires so easily. I don't even run them that hard, and look at that, they're already bald on the inside. Time to hit the gym. Boys over at Unknown Breed sent over their newest merch line. I'm about to open it with you guys and check it out. And finally, some gray clothing. I always wear all black to the gym, so this is awesome. And this new design is sick, dude. Gotta represent. And in the back, oh man, against all odds. Dude, this thing looks sick. Representing Unknown Breed right now, I always wear, it's comfortable, it makes me look big even though I'm fat right now. I'm like 210. And I thought I'd bring you guys to the gym since it's been a long time. I don't know if you guys are interested in that. Comment down below if you guys want to see an epic gym journey, because I told you guys in one of the other videos that I was cutting down and I was like 190. Now I'm at 210, dude. I'm huge right now. I mean, I guess I'm taking it serious. I used to be very into fitness, but we got some joggers now, some sweats. I always wear shorts. Now for the winter season, some sweats, that's awesome. unknown breed down here as well. I'm gonna put these on right now actually. Unknown breed socks? Damn. Never wear white to the gym. Finally have something to wear. Unknown breed, rise from within. Bodybuilding club. Oh man. So if you guys wanna stay tuned on the epic gym journey, I'm gonna try to cut down while maintaining all the muscle mass that I gained from taking it serious and eating more protein. It's funny how just changing your diet and eating more meat and not as much carbs, you know, implementing some vegetables can drastically change your body growth, because I was at a stalemate for a long time, but that's because I wasn't very serious with it. Now I'm gaining weight, but most of it's muscle and strength. And I still got my tummy, but I'm starting to do abs, more cardio. Hopefully, maybe in 3 months, we'll be able to see some form of abs. I'm gonna throw these on real quick and take you guys inside. This is the fit we ended up going with. The gray hoodie, white shirt underneath, unknown breed joggers, and the socks representing unknown breed. I hope I answered those who always ask me in DMs about my offset, my wheel specs and all that. And if you guys are looking into wheels, I really hope this video helped you guys out with all that. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.